The characteristic features of the site and the island's traditional building practices, though without a historicist attitude, are the recognizable project elements: the maintenance of the existing flora, the restructuring of the site's terracing, and the organization of the house with volumes which are either independent or arise as intermediate gaps. The building is placed on a terrace. The entrance to the house is found in the void between the volume of the house and the terrace behind it. A longitudinal course, parallel with the gradient of the slope, connects the distinct building volumes. The house is constructed with the usual practices of the local builders. Without a decorative intent, most surfaces, floors, external walls, internal wet areas, are formed by cement. Perpendicular to the longitudinal course, one enters the main areas of the building, the living room and the 2 bedrooms, which open up towards the sea. The circulation and the service spaces, entrance, corridors, and bathrooms, are expressed as voids that connect the differing volumes of the primary spaces. 3 courtyards take shape, each having different characteristics: a covered courtyard, in the heart of the building, a shaded one by the oak trees, close to the living room, and one exposed to the sun, at the end of the corridor. The configuration of the flat roof corresponds to the plan of the house, as it depicts the individual volumes and the relationship between them. It is also the main facade of the building, since it is exposed in its entirety as one approaches. The roof is formed so as to provide cross-ventilation to the main living and sleeping areas.